Storymate is a powerful tool that allows you to fill both Instagram and Facebook with breathtaking stories regardless of your experience. By providing you with a massive number of stunning templates, it can ensure that your stories will remain highly converting no matter what. Storymate is totally relevant in today's world of social media. More than 500 million people use Instagram daily. 80% of those are outside the US. More than 2.27 billion people use Facebook worldwide. 1.49 billion of those Facebook users log on daily. 300 million of Instagram users look at stories daily. 10% of Facebook users look at stories daily. So, if that many people are looking at stories, you want to stand out, right? Storymate helps you do just that. Storymate Luxury Edition features increase your conversions instantly through Insta Stories. Storymate will create stories from a range of templates to give you an extremely professional end result and allow you to post them instantly to Insta and FB. Have your users never have to worry about being on camera. Many users hate being on camera, and with Storymate we give the option for users to upload any content they wish or use our royalty-free content to create high-converting stories. Create niche-specific content for Ecom stores, local businesses, personal profiles, affiliate offers. Build your email list easily. Storymate allows you to create brand-specific call to actions to build your email list from your Facebook and Instagram followers. Send users direct to your website on a mass scale higher than FB or Insta posts. Pre-made call to action builder like swipe up, opt-in here to allow you to not only create high-quality stories, but also provide a call to action that equals money in the bank. World's first tool to enable Insta and FB template creation from your desktop. Create professional stories from your desktop that sync direct to Instagram and FB. Storymate Luxury Edition 3 Easy Steps. Select a template. Select a template out of our 25 highly converting video designs made specifically for Insta and FB stories. Customize your content. Everything inside your template is customizable, so choose your images, upload your own, or select from our library. Add it in your text. Select your background music and click render. Post and start converting. Once you have your story ready, simply one-click sync to the Storymate Facebook-approved Android and iPhone apps to post right away to your FB and Insta stories. Here is what Storymate Luxury Edition will do for you. Create beautiful high-converting stories in seconds. With templates created for stories with swipe-up call to actions, animated videos, editable text, you will be ahead of the competition instantly. Never ever worry about being on camera. With Storymate we give the option to upload any content you wish or use our royalty-free content to create high-converting stories. Over 1 million to choose from. Create stories for niche-specific businesses. Storymate has templates for a wide range of niches from e-com stores, local businesses, ebook downloads, direct-to-sales sites, affiliate offers and more. Send users direct to your website on a mass scale higher than FB or Insta posts. Pre-made call to action builder like swipe up, opt-in here to allow you to not only create high-quality stories, but also provide a call to action that equals money in the bank. Sell stories as a service to local businesses with our included agency rights. That's right, during launch week only Storymate allows you to sell Storymate-generated stories to local businesses and you keep 100% of the money. The quality of the renders Storymate provides are that of the top social marketers of the world that would be paying hundreds of dollars per story. Now you can do the same in just a few minutes. Stop using expensive video editing suites. Storymate does it all. No need to spend hours figuring out how to film and edit videos on video editing suites that cost thousands, wasting time, money and energy. With Storymate, everything is done for you in one tool that even my 90-year-old grandmother can work to create the world's highest converting stories in minutes. Storymate provides the automated content. Not sure where to get image or video content for your stories? Storymate provides you all the content needed through royalty-free images and music for all your story needs.